Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video, and today I got another fragrance review. I apologize for not doing that much on the YouTubes because I've been a bit sick, if you guys can hear it in my voice, and I'm a bit stuffy. But the show must go on. I never stop. I keep going. So today I got another fragrance, and I don't buy too many fragrance because I use it until it finish. But anyways, enough about that. Today we are unboxing the Issey nuit Issey. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, you French people speakers out there. And yeah, let's get right to it. So nice packaging. I got the 100, and I believe it's 125 millimils. I was also gonna get Latafa, but I felt like Arabic perfume is more for like the mosque or like some Arabic events, like for worship events, like or some other Arabic community events. So that's why I didn't feel like getting Latafa. I felt like getting a designer brand, and Issey Miyake is the one. So sorry, my hands are covering the box. I hope you guys can see it. And yeah, I'm in a new little setup because I'm using the ring light and the little bigger tripod. Usually it will be on my bed, but we're doing a different setup. So, unboxing. Let's get to it. I might not use it too much because our birthday's until next month. I want to get an early start. Like, I got a Mortal Kombat hoodie on the way. Another review on that. Stay tuned. And also, I want to wear this for the movie. Ooh. Damn, this is heavy. Heavy perfume bottle. There you guys go. It's like this. How do you take out the lid? Do you twist? Let's see. Do you slide? Bear with me guys, I'm trying to figure out how to open this. I don't want to break it. It looks really nice bottle. Oh, there we go. It's a bit tricky. But yeah, that's the lid. I'm going to do a smell test. Make sure I don't shoot this in my eyes. It happens before, guys. You shoot a perfume in your eyes while you're wearing it. So I'm going to spray a little bit on my wrist. I know I don't like spraying it on my wrist. I'm more of a neck person. Ooh, didn't came out too much. Ooh. Let it build up a bit. Ooh. This one smells nice, man. I went for Issey Miyake because I'm watching a fighting movie. It's a Mortal Kombat, and also this one, you kind of smell like a ninja or a samurai arriving from the depths of the fight or whatever. Like, it smells nice. I'm not going to spray too much because I want to wait until Friday night. I'm going to watch the movie on a Friday night, so I put it back in the box. Or maybe I leave it out. I don't know. Put it in the box. So yeah, that's about it. It's today's unboxing. I hope you guys like it. Like, share, comment. Let me know what you guys think. And subscribe and hit the bell for more. Peace out.